Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set a timer in a Snapchat photo. Once you're in your camera, look at the top right corner and you will see a drop-down button. Just pull it down. Here you can see the timer settings. Once you click it, it will set a photo timer. And if you click it at the second time, it will show the video timer, which we don't want because we only need a photo timer. Just cancel, click it again, and click the timer once. Once you click it, you can now try and click the camera. The countdown will be 3 seconds. And that's it. That's how you set a timer in Snapchat photo. Very easy, right? If you found this video helpful, just like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.